What's up, y'all? Working on these windows today. So I actually put the new windows in a while ago. I didn't make any videos, sorry, but I'm gonna wrap them all today. So what I'm doing right now is removing all this old caulk. This old caulk, I already removed it from up there, but I gotta get all this off so that my aluminum sheet butts nice into that corner and I can caulk it. So if I don't take this out, then my aluminum sheet's gonna hit there and it's gonna bend outwards when I knock my nails in here. So I want to avoid that. I'm actually gonna put just nails on this side. I'm not gonna nail this side, but I need this to sit flat so I can caulk it correctly. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing here on my old farmhouse. Awesome remodel. Hopefully this video is good. I've never done a selfie video before, or I haven't recently. Peace.